Hello, it's RJ. It's 8:17 here. I am here in the my most beautiful and favorite place, military Dehu Cantonment Board, where I like to drive my Hercules. Where is Hercules? A lot of you guys have been asking, where is Hercules? No stories, no post, no Strava activities. Where is Hercules? Just right here in its purple glory into the nature with me. Yeah, this is a final drive with my Hercules. So why is this a final drive? As you guys have seen me driving this from my school, and I'm not going to repeat all the things which you have already listened when I bought my Bullet 350 past 2 years ago, when I made a similar video of my Hercules a day before I took the delivery of my Bullet 350, and I kind of explained everything. Like, I have been driving this bicycle, my Hercules, since my school, my colleges, my senior college, even my masters, and I drive this to enjoy pedaling. And this has been a great example, a great bicycle over the years. My Purple Beast, which was not so purple, I repainted this in purple to tribute the love for cars, the love for Lamborghini, tribute to the Viola Pacific. This is not a Viola Pacific, by the way, guys. It is a purple color, it is a purple shade, but definitely not a Viola Pacific. Man, the end of the chapter, but the ride and the memories will always live on. The cycle that started it all, one last drive, one last story, where strength and discipline meets. What she taught me is to love the nature, to pedal for life. Everything is priceless, no matter how many words I speak or how much I talk about Hercules. This has given me strength, this has given me everything to drive. I would have never been able to drive a motorcycle or car with the same lure and the happiness I get to drive the Hercules. I mean, it's unbeatable. It's unbeatable. But everything comes to an end, right? It's not a final drive. It will remain in my house. I might take it on a road for a chill city drive, or it might end up in my bedroom, just enjoying its retirement maybe. She has been with me at so many beautiful places, so many cyclothons, Pune drives. Even in childhood with my friends, we used to play the Need for Speed on our bicycles, which was exceptional. All its other brothers are not here at the moment. I wish they were, but they are not. What to say, man? I don't have words, man. I had so much things in my mind, but I'm not able to speak. I'm a bit emotional because it was my forever drive, and the journey is coming to an end. Even did 350 kilometers, 3 separate 50 kilometers with this beautiful machine. She wasn't just a cycle, it was a freedom she gave me. One of my brother used to say, it's a Hercules, bro. Why you call it's she? It's a legendary warrior, a Hercules. But some rides are she. My Bullet 350 is him. It's a metal. But I called it she because it's a boy's things. But yeah, I can be wrong. It's a Hercules. It was a warrior. It is a warrior which kept me alive. From a city chaos to the natural habitat which I love like this. I mean, you legit can see a mountain back there. I mean, so beautiful rides, so many beautiful drives. The bike which gave me all taught me to not only smoke people on a bicycle. Yes, I have smoked some people, some raw driving as well. You never know, right? It has taught me everything, right? A motorcycle ride, car, every bits and pieces. She has made me my forever beast. So as a Valtteri Bottas would say, what's next? So what's the next chapter is, it's big, it's very big, but it will be always a smaller chapter in front of my Hercules. But it will take me on a long journeys. Maybe it is already been delivered at my home. I have assembled it all, but didn't want it to take on a drive without saying a proper goodbye to my Hercules. Yes, it was needed. A proper tribute to my Hercules was needed. And yes, I do talk with my Hercules. I do talk with every of my machine. And she wasn't happy, I guess, today. Believe me, I had to struggle taking her here. Believe me, she knows it's a last drive. I'm fucking emotional. So we as a boys have a very good and strong connection with their machines, no matter what. But the last drive is something not to forget of. Please pardon my English or my words. I don't know what I'm speaking. So the last loppy drive, the last uphill, the last corners, the last puncture, maybe the last struggle, the last nature drive. Everything is last for the moment. Everything goes with a lot of pain, lot of happiness, some untold stories. But the machines remains unbeatable. I have shared as many things as with my machines rather than with people, and to be able to capture this moment, this experience, is something to look for. This isn't a goodbye. This is a salute to my Hercules, where it all began. So thank you so much for watching. Hercules, long live the Hercules. Cheers.